Gina with WTI. If you're ready to sleep in the lap of luxury, you are going to be so pleased with these pillowcases from Blissy. I love that silk has a really nice effect on your hair. It keeps it from getting tangled and it helps to retain moisture in your skin and hair. So it's really beneficial to use when you're sleeping. You can tell that this is really quality material. And I even clipped a little corner of the pillowcase off and burnt it to show that this is actual silk. It is not synthetic at all. You can see that it did not melt like a synthetic fabric would, but it burnt and created ash, which indicates that it is the natural fabric. I got the color champagne. It is absolutely stunning, and I love that it matches my taupe sheets and pink bed set really well. I also got the king size because my husband has a really oversized queen size pillow that doesn't fit queen size pillowcases, but fits more on the king side. So it is a little bit on the bigger side, but I love having that extra fabric, and it is just so soft and amazing. This comes in a really beautifully packaged little box. Anyone who gets this as a gift is just going to be so happy with it. To launder the pillowcase, I do hand wash it in my bathroom sink. I add a little bit of Castile soap and lukewarm water, let it soak, and very gently move it around in the water. I rinse it a couple times, and then I fold it up into a towel to squeeze out excess water without scrunching the material, and then hang it to dry. I'm so impressed by the quality of this pillowcase, the look and the feel of it. You will not be disappointed. It is top of the line, and that's my point of view.